everybody, Emily here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you, but let me just open it first because this box is huge. And it's like a box inside a box. So let me just get the box with like my address out of the way, and then I'll show you what we've got. Also, if you see this outfit in another video, it's because I'm pre-filming videos right now. Hi, Hope. Say hi. Hope-y. Okay, never mind. Slight change of plans because this box is like so heavy that I can't even lift it. Like, it's just like awkward and it's like stuck in there basically. Well, not stuck, but like it's snugly fit so that I can't reach it myself. But we're opening this. Finally came. Yay. Hi. Okay, so we had to move over to my little table over here because this box is huge. Okay, let's dive into this. My camera. Clicking. You get a letter and everything. It says, "Congrats on your feet. Now enjoy your treats. We hope you had a snacktacular time digging into the 2024 Run Disney virtual series inspired by the beloved Disney Parks treats. Now it's time to indulge in the enclosed goodies to celebrate your achievement, including the post-race cup of cheese traditionally provided to participants of our on-site events. And if you're craving even more Run Disney fun, be sure to visit Run Disney to check out our upcoming on-site and virtual events. Thanks for being a part of our Snacktastic pack and the magic. Sincerely, your friends at Run Disney." And by the way, the next one coming up for the virtual events is the 12Ks of Christmas or something. And I would be lying if I said I wasn't thinking about it. Oh my goodness. Mom, do you want to see this? Okay. Wait, what? Oh. How soft is this? Is it a towel?
Is it a microfiber towel to wipe your sweat?
I have no idea.
Oh my god, look at all this stuff.
What is this?
It's a microfiber towel. Just two? One. Oh yeah, like you know, like the one around your neck.
Can I use it for the baby's birth cloth?
Yeah.
Burp cloth? Towel?
Do you want me to hand these to you?
Yeah, sure.
You taking them out of the plastic?
Not yet, but I'll take them out of that. But okay. So this one we haven't done yet, but it's the candy apple one. These are just so cute. Okay. My mom's helping me because it's just huge.
Yeah.
Oh, that's because it's connected to this.
Yeah, but they got
I'm doing this one on Wednesday, the Mickey Bar 5K. This is the one I was most excited about. Actually, no, I lied. This one I was most excited about because I ate these Mickey waffles every day in Disney when I went in October. It's a pin or something. And this one isn't a race, but it's included for finishing the challenge. It's a Dole Whip one, which I did not eat in Disney because I don't like pineapple, but I just got a soft serve ice cream cup instead.
It has a mini for the lunch.
I don't know. Some people said they have those like little Minnie Mouses and stuff.
What is this thing?
Okay, hold on. And I honestly don't know what these are. These are just like little mini ones, but people have said they're putting these on their pin boards. So I think I might do that too. Okay, so better. We got the medals. We got that little collector's item pin thing. It's like a little medal too, because people have those little like park buddy things that you could put on your bag or your outfit. And they've been putting them on there as like little medals. Where were they? It was this thing. These little things right here. But honestly, my niece might want this. And I might give it to her if I have the big medal. And then we got the towel, which is cool. I can use this for my bike, or I can give it to my brother because he runs outside. I was trying to show you the brand of it, but it was backwards. There you go. And then we technically actually did get snacks in this box because we got pretzels and cheese, which I think is hilarious. And when does this expire? 5/10 of 2025. Cool. And then drum roll, last but certainly not least, we have this, which is pretty dang awesome. Hold on. So much plastic. Okay. We have a snack bowl. Because get it, snacks. Oh my god, look how cute. Oh wait, okay. So stop it. Oh my god. Okay, marketing team, this is genius. Oh my god, and it closes and everything. I mean, it's not like probably the most travel friendly thing, but look it. Oh my god. Look how cute. Okay, that is adorable. And then how do you open it? Oh, here's a little pop tab here. But I'm gonna have to share this with my niece, which is totally fine because she also uses my resort cup from when I went in October of 2023, which I want to go back really soon. Well, not really soon because we haven't booked anything yet, but I want to go back so bad. Look at it, it's cute. I love this. And me and my friend who runs with me when I do this, we are doing our next race on Wednesday. So we've already done the waffle one, so I can open that medal. And then we are gonna be, hold on. I know I'm making you all seasick, I'm so sorry. But we've already done the waffle one, so this one we can open. And believe it or not, I was actually looking at metal racks to hang these the other night because I'm starting to run out of room. Stop it, it spins. Oh my god. Ready? Thumbnail. Cute. It's spinning. spins. Oh my goodness. And if you want to see the vlog to me running this race, I have an entire Run Disney playlist on my YouTube channel. And then my friend Kayla and I are running this Mickey Bar 5K race on Wednesday, July 10th, 2024. So I'll be getting to open this one then. Thank you so much for watching this very chaotic video, and see y'all real soon. Bye.